Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically highlight the active row in Microsoft Excel. Highlighting the active row in Excel helps you quickly track your position and reduces errors when working with large datasets. So let's start the video. Now open your Microsoft Excel worksheet where you want the active row to be highlighted. So this is our Excel sheet. Click and drag to select the range of cells where you want this feature to work. Or press Ctrl A to select the entire worksheet. With the worksheet selected, go to the Home tab and then click on Conditional Formatting. From the menu, click on New Rule. In Select a Rule Type, choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. So click on it. In the formula box, type this formula. Now click on Format tab. Now go to Fill option and choose your preferred highlight color. We are going to select this yellow color. Now click on OK and then click OK again. Now press Alt plus F11 to open VBA editor. In the left drop-down menu, select the current sheet. Now type the following code here, target.calculate. Now save and close this VBA window. Now go back to your worksheet and click on any cell. The entire row will highlight instantly as you move. So that's how to highlight the active row in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.